Maintaining consistent temperature in your smoker is crucial for cooking delicious and perfectly smoked dishes. Fluctuations in temperature can result in unevenly cooked meat and unsatisfactory outcomes. By understanding the importance of preventing temperature fluctuations and implementing proper maintenance practices, you can achieve optimal results every time you use your smoker. Regularly cleaning your smoker is essential to maintain its performance. Built-up debris and ash can hinder proper airflow and heat distribution, leading to inconsistent cooking temperatures. By removing these obstructions, you can ensure that your smoker functions efficiently and produces excellent results every time you use it. Checking the seals and insulation of your smoker is a critical aspect of maintaining temperature consistency. Proper seals prevent heat from escaping, while adequate insulation ensures that heat is evenly distributed within the smoker. By verifying these components are in good condition, you can minimize temperature fluctuations during the cooking process and achieve better results with your smoked dishes. Proper airflow management is crucial for maintaining consistent temperatures in your smoker. Clear vents allow for the right amount of oxygen to reach the fire, preventing temperature spikes or drops. Monitoring airflow throughout the cooking process ensures that heat is evenly distributed and that your food cooks evenly. By staying attentive to the airflow and making adjustments as needed, you can achieve ideal smoking conditions and delicious results with every use of your smoker. Using a water pan in your smoker is a practical technique to maintain stable cooking temperatures. The water in the pan helps regulate the heat by acting as a buffer, preventing rapid fluctuations. Additionally, the moisture from the water enhances the juiciness and tenderness of the food being smoked. This simple yet effective method can significantly improve the quality of your smoked dishes and ensure a more consistent cooking experience.